Which is the state that you are smiling the most about?
My home state of Uttar Pradesh. And I will tell you why. Because all sorts of political experiments of hatred, of divisiveness, of distracting from the real issues was done both in UP and in Bihar. And at this point in time, when we're speaking at 11-12 a.m., 20% votes counted. The NDA at 287, we are at 232. The vote share is 46% versus 41%. I think we're going to make the leads, but I am extremely excited and very, very happy about Uttar Pradesh because the state of Uttar Pradesh has sent a very, very strong message. The reality, and to me the headline, the takeaway from this is that the BJP at about 236, 238 with a loss of 65 to 67 seats. This is a moral loss for the BJP. This is a moral loss for Mr. Modi. No amount of ring fencing can prove me otherwise today.
All right, so that's, let's get a response from your former partyman now, BJP spokesperson Tom Vadakkan there. Tom Vadakkan, your response to where the numbers are right now, you know, what Supriya Shrinate there said regarding the UP numbers and the moral victory.
Well, we stand by what we said. We are based, our reports based on the Panna Pramukhs who have given us information on the kind of seats that we would win. And this is early time. These are all leads. Just wait, have a little patience, and you will see the turnaround. And when that you've seen something in Andhra happening. Now you will just wait. It's all leads. When we come to the original results, you will see the difference. This excitement, you know, aag laga denge, and that impulsive mood of the Congress. Have patience. The Election Commission has spoken. Everything has been transparent. Till now, they were saying everything is, you know, all institutions have been overtaken. Now, what is it? When they have a certain lead, EVM is functional and what have you. Before that, if they trail, well, EVM is not good. I mean, the EVM should be removed. Election Commission should be, it's modified by Modi. These are things in democracy. You are a party that have ruled for 70 years. And if you do not play the right tune and you send out a message, elections are won and elections are lost. But at the same time, maintain certain decency in public domain. Your General Secretary comes and says, the Home Minister has spoken.
Just get a response to that. Supriya Shrinate, your response, and yes, a lot of Congress leaders did make many points. We're also joined by Salem Dharanidharan. They're joining us from Chennai. But first, Supriya, your response to that. You know, various leaders of the Congress did raise points about the EVMs and about the counting.
I heard the question.
Yes.
I heard the question. I also heard the allegation. I will only ask Mr. Vadakkan to be gracious with your moral defeat. You are down almost 70 seats than your last tally. The country is giving you a message, and that message is that share markets where 3% people are invested don't decide the mood. Mujra nahi hai mudda. Mudda mehengai hai, mudda berozgari hai. You may want to distract from that. Doesn't matter. The people will not let you do that. I want to say one thing, and I want to say that very strongly. The BJP on its own right now is at a 236, 238. The alliances that they tried to stitch were all coaxed, were all on the basis of fear, were all on the basis of pressure. Most of these guys intimidated by agencies. You think a TDP, you think a JDU, you think a Rajbhar, you think a Nishad is going to stay with you. They're all going to desert you. The reality is that the BJP does not just staring at a moral loss, you're actually going to see your numbers dip very soon as well.
I think ultimately